Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Laserjet P1505 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In properties, find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. That is very easy. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. And here type download HP Laserjet P1505 printer driver in search and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com. Open the first link and HP official website is open. Here we find our printer name P1505 HP Laserjet. Here we find our operating system. Our operating system is Detect Right Windows 10 64-bit. But in any case your operating system is not select right, then go to here, choose a different OS, click on Windows and go to the version. And if Windows 10 64-bit, then go to the Windows 10 64-bit. If Windows 10 32-bit, then go to the Windows 10 32-bit. Bit is also important. I am going to the Windows 10 64-bit. My machine is 64-bit. Click on Update. It's refresh your page and your all drivers are available on your web page. Here find basics drivers from these 3-4 links. Find basics drivers. Click on the last option. Here we find basic drivers. Expand basic drivers. In basic drivers, we find many printer name. This is a series printer. This is the series of these printers. Here we find file size. It's very small file size. Here we find download. When we click on the download, it's redirect to the another page. And in few seconds, our download is completed. Click at here download. And our download is completed in few seconds. Go to the downloads. Click on show in a folder. Minimize it. Drag this setup file, printer setup file to desktop. Close it. This printer's file or printer setup file actually a zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy. Right click on this setup file. Click on the extract files. Click on the extract files. Click on the OK. It's extract our files and create a new folder on desktop. Double click on it. Here you find our setup file or the printer driver file. Close it. And we are going to install this printer file or the setup file, printer setup file to manually install it. We are going to install it manually. Go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, new option is pop up on our screen. New option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on the printer that I want isn't listed. Here find, close it. And here we find add a printer. Here we find many options. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last options and click on the next. Here we find existing port. Click at here. And if you find .4_001 HP printer device, anything HP printer, if you find anything about HP, select that. If you not find any HP port, the next option is USB. Select any USB port, USB 001, 002, 003, 004. Select any USB and click on the next. Click on the have a disk. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Our drivers are on the desktop. And find your newly extracted folder. Double click on our printer folder. Here you find single file. Click on that single file. Select that file. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find many printers. Select our printer HP Laserjet P1505. Select our printer. Click on the next. Here you can give any printer name that you like. I go with the same printer name. Click on the next. It's install your printer in few seconds. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer on network, then select last option. If you don't, then select first option. Do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on the finish. Next option is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. click on the printers and scanners, and if you find here HP Laserjet P1505, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.